Hello, and welcome to another Inside the Recording Studio Tuesday tip. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about saving key commands. Let's jump right in. As you can see, I have a session open here. If I look underneath our DAW's name in the Mac, and I open up the key commands window under the menu, we get two choices. We have presets, which gives us layouts for various languages, and also a layout for another popular DAW. Below that, we get user presets that we can choose from, and we have an edit button. So let's jump into the edit button, and we'll take a look at some key commands. So one of the things that I've done with my key commands is that I've got this record toggle, or the actual button that I hit to start the record process in the DAW, and I've changed it from the standard one, which is the star on the number key, numerical keypad, and changed it to F13. And the reason for that is this particular key command, which I've also set up, which is to discard the last recording and return to the last play position, which is where it started recording for the last take. And what I do is, if I know that the take is absolutely horrible, I will hit the F14 key so I don't even keep it on my drive, and it will shoot me right back to the last play position. If I want to keep the take, I will hit the space bar and then hit F14, which then brings me back to the last play position, and then I can hit the F13 key to record again. If there was another particular key command that I wish to change, I have a couple of different options, and I can look at these things, and there's a long list of them, and based on whatever it is that your workflow is, you might want to find a key command for something that you do a lot of and then change it. So let's say that I happen to open a lot of movies and I need to get to the project settings about movies. I can do this by choosing that line, and then I can either learn the key by typing in a key label, and that says accepted if I want to change it, or I can learn it by key position, which is the easier way to go. And if that was the case, and I'm going to choose one that I've not used, and that's the F19 key for the function 19 key, I can learn it by the key position, and then I'm good to go. And when I hit the F19 key, it would open up the movie project settings. Now, if I want to save them once I've made those changes, I have to come in here and I hit the Save As key. That gives me a window where I can then name the key commands, and then that saves the key commands. Now, when I come out of here and I open up the presets windows, you can see that it's now got me on the key commands that I have just saved. If I wanted to go back to my old key commands, I just click that and I'm good to go. And that's some key commands for you. And that's how you save them, so that you can come back to them. If there was ever an update that wipes out your key commands, you will have them. You can reload them. And if you have a particular kind of DAW that can actually import key commands from other DAWs, you can save them and transport them to the other DAW. Have a good week. We'll see you next time.